In recent years, the ketogenic diet, affectionately known as the keto diet, has emerged as a dietary phenomenon celebrated for its potential health benefits. In this comprehensive guide, we will embark on an extensive exploration of what the keto diet truly entails. We'll dive deep into the science underpinning its mechanisms and provide an intricate roadmap on how to initiate and diligently follow this transformative nutritional journey to optimize your health and well-being. Check the link in description, which is best recommendation for the Keto Diet Guide, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Section 1. What is the keto diet? The ketogenic diet is a meticulously structured dietary protocol that endeavors to revolutionize the way your body sources and consumes energy. At its core, it champions a substantial reduction in carbohydrate intake while elevating the intake of healthy fats. The overarching objective is to usher your body into a metabolic state known as ketosis. Section 2. How does ketosis work? Ketosis, an intricate metabolic dance, is a state where your body becomes exceptionally adept at breaking down stored fat into smaller molecules called ketones. These ketones emerge as the primary fuel source for vital organs, notably the brain and muscles. The genesis of ketosis hinges on the profound curtailment of daily carbohydrate consumption. Section 3. Macronutrient ratios. At the very heart of the keto diet lies the fine-tuning of macronutrient ratios, a meticulous orchestration. High fat. A staggering 70 to 80% of your daily caloric intake is drawn from a diverse array of healthy fats, including avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, coconut oil, and the omega-3 rich bounty of fatty fish. Low carbohydrates. The cornerstone of ketosis is a carbohydrate intake restricted to a mere 20 to 50 grams per day, translating to a mere 5 to 10% of your total daily caloric consumption. Prioritize non-starchy vegetables and the select few low-carb fruits. Moderate protein. Protein, accounting for 15 to 20% of your daily calorie intake, is sourced from lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Section 4. Benefits of the keto diet. The keto diet unfurls a rich tapestry of potential health benefits, rendering it an enticing dietary choice for those with an eye on wellness. Weight loss. With its spotlight on fat as the primary energy source, the keto diet can orchestrate effective and sustainable weight loss, particularly when buttressed by calorie management. Blood sugar management. For individuals grappling with type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance, the keto diet can be a formidable ally in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Cognitive enhancement. The keto diet is known to be a mental marvel, with many adherents reporting heightened mental clarity, improved concentration, and a notable reduction in cognitive fog during their journey through ketosis. Appetite mastery. The diet often lends a hand in taming hunger pangs and cravings, simplifying the process of caloric control. Section 5. How to start the keto diet. Successfully embarking on the keto diet necessitates meticulous planning and unwavering commitment. Here's a comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to set sail on this transformative voyage. Calculate your macros. The journey commences with the calculation of your daily caloric requirements and the precise calibration of fat, carb, and protein ratios in accordance with your unique health and fitness aspirations. You can turn to various online calculators or seek the sagacious counsel of a registered dietitian for personalized recommendations. Plan your meals. Architect your daily sustenance around keto-friendly fare, ensuring a diverse platter of healthy fats, low-carb vegetables, and premium protein sources. Cultivate a repertoire of tantalizing recipes to keep your culinary journey both intriguing and satiating. Monitor your carb intake. Pledge to maintain an unwavering vigil over your daily carbohydrate intake, meticulously adhering to the recommended threshold of 20 to 50 grams per day. Lean on the guidance of food labels, mobile applications, and culinary scales to facilitate precise tracking. Stay hydrated and supplement electrolytes. The voyage into ketosis might lead to an augmented loss of bodily fluids, necessitating a firm commitment to hydration. Additionally, consider the incorporation of electrolyte supplements or the inclusion of natural electrolyte-rich foods, such as leafy greens and nuts, to uphold an optimal electrolyte equilibrium. Be patient. Realize that the attainment of ketosis may entail several days to a week. During the initial phase, brace yourself for the prospect of transient side effects, collectively recognized as the keto flu. This assortment of symptoms may encompass headaches, fatigue, irritability, and dizziness. These often relent as your body acclimatizes to the profound metabolic shift. Section 6. Potential side effects. As you embark on the keto diet, it's vital to remain attuned to potential side effects, commonly identified as the keto flu. These transitory symptoms may encompass headaches, fatigue, irritability, and gastrointestinal unease. It's imperative to understand that these side effects are typically ephemeral and tend to wane as your body fully embraces ketosis. Section 7. Who shouldn't try keto? While the keto diet holds immense promise for a vast spectrum of individuals, it may not be universally apt. Individuals contending with specific medical conditions, such as pancreatitis, liver disease, or a history of eating disorders, should approach the keto diet with a judicious sense of caution or avoid it altogether. Pregnant and lactating women are counseled to abstain from the keto diet, and children should only venture into this dietary territory under the vigilant supervision of a healthcare professional. Conclusion. In summation, the keto diet stands as a scientifically rooted and highly effective dietary strategy, boasting a cornucopia of potential health benefits. To embark on this transformative journey successfully, meticulous planning, consistent monitoring, and unswerving patience are indispensable. It is paramount to consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before undertaking any substantial dietary modifications, particularly if you harbor underlying health concerns. Armed with commitment and guided by expert counsel, the keto diet can be wielded as a potent instrument to realize your health and wellness aspirations, ultimately forging a path to a healthier and more vibrant version of yourself.